This segment will focus on some of the main features of the CB series analysis and reporting software. As mentioned, to choose a patient, simply click on the Patient tab and choose the patient that you wish to work with. When setting up and installing the software, it's best to install the complete version so that you'll have access to demonstration software, which allows the user to learn the various functions and features of the software. We select the patient. The screen goes back to the gray and the two menus up top, and then we go to the Analyze. Okay, under the Analyze window, what we have are ECG data up top, 3-channel samples on the left. In the top left-hand corner, ordinarily a representative sample of the ECG will come up. If it doesn't, click on the arrow key to choose a good representative sample that you'd like to use for your analysis. If there's one of poor quality, keep selecting until you get one that's more suitable. Most of the other settings on the screen are standard, but there are capabilities to allow the user to adjust these significant landmarks on the ECG, which will impact overall analysis. In order to analyze the ECG and halt the recording, simply click on the Start button. The software will analyze the data in less than a minute, and two trend graphs will be displayed showing ST and heart rate graphs of the data. Should the patient have a pacemaker, first click the pacemaker checkbox, then pre-analyze, then Start. We can try that again by choosing a different patient. So again, if the patient does have a pacemaker, we would click on Pacemaker, Pre-pace. But because this patient doesn't actually have a pacemaker, the pacemaker spikes will not be found, so analysis won't allow to go forward. Going back to our sample patient, choose on a suitable ECG sample and click Start. Since we recently analyzed this one, the software is asking if we should reanalyze it. We'll say yes. So the Holter software has run through its analysis, and now editing and fine-tuning of the data can be conducted.